At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a digital product business can be an exciting endeavor, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here are some steps to help you get started. 1. Identify your niche. Decide on the type of digital product you want to create and sell. This could be software, online courses, ebooks, digital artwork, mobile apps, or any other digital offering. Consider your skills, interests, and market demand when choosing your niche. 2. Conduct market research. Research your target audience to understand their needs, preferences, and pain points. Identify competitors in your niche and analyze their offerings, pricing strategies, and marketing tactics. This will help you identify gaps in the market and opportunities for differentiation. 3. Develop your product. Once you have identified your niche and conducted market research, start developing your digital product. Whether it's writing code for software, creating content for an online course, or designing graphics for digital artwork, focus on creating a high-quality product that provides value to your target audience. 4. Create a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, revenue streams, marketing strategies, and financial projections in a business plan. This will serve as a roadmap for your business and help you stay focused as you grow. 5. Build a website. Set up a professional website to showcase your digital products and attract customers. Your website should have clear navigation, compelling product descriptions, high-quality images or demos, and an easy-to-use checkout process. 6. Set up payment processing. Choose a payment processor that allows you to securely accept payments from customers. Popular options include PayPal, Stripe, and Square. Make sure to integrate payment processing into your website to facilitate smooth transactions. 7. Market your product. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your digital product and attract customers. This may include content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, influencer partnerships, paid advertising, and other tactics to reach your target audience. 8. Provide customer support. Offer excellent customer support to address any questions, concerns, or issues that arise. This will help you build trust with your customers and encourage repeat business. 9. Iterate and improve. Continuously gather feedback from customers and iterate on your product based on their input. Pay attention to market trends and adjust your strategies as needed to stay competitive. 10. Scale your business. As your digital product business grows, look for opportunities to scale your operations, expand your product line, enter new markets, and increase your revenue streams. Stay agile and adaptable to navigate changes in the market and seize new opportunities for growth. Starting a digital product business requires dedication, creativity, and perseverance, but with the right strategy and execution, it can be a rewarding venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.